Well, we got the grapes cleaned up out of here, and the grapevines, mostly anyway. Let me show you how well we did on that, because there was a lot of grapevines here. Let me show you. This whole little trellis thing here was just covered in grapevines. You can see there's still a few leaves hanging on, and we've got everything torn out of there. There's still a little stub down there, and that can be easily taken care of. Now over here, this one was full of grapevines. As you can see, some of them climbed up underneath the plastic there, and some of the leaves fell off and died. But now we've got that trimmed back to this down here. Now that's a pretty substantial thing to dig out of there, but we're going to have to do that. And so what I'm going to do here is get the sprinkler system going, and then we're going to start planting peas in here, because peas will grow in the cold weather. It does still freeze in here occasionally, and so that'll be fine for peas. And this is, we got to dig this out of here. This is going to be a little bit of work, so we'll see how it goes. But then over here you can see the radishes are doing well. That's coming up. These onions are doing well. Let me show you the lettuce over here. Now, these lettuce plants did overwinter. I think I planted them sometime in November. You can see they did well. These are doing quite well, even though it occasionally, I think it froze in here probably a couple nights ago. But they're doing well. And as you can see, I've planted some new ones. Right here you can see there's some growing. There's some new ones coming up. Now when they get a little bigger than that, see there's several seeds in there. And I'm going to have to thin those out and plant them one seed in a pot there. But we'll have some lettuce here for quite a while. As a matter of fact, some of these, just to get some lettuce leaves, probably harvest these right now, and I'll bet they'd be really good. Anyway, so the greenhouse did provide something over the winter, and it's lettuce.